Mudras are subtle hand and finger movements that make important connections in the nervous system and stimulate energy pathways or nadis. We all know that the human body is an amalgamation of the five elements of nature: earth, air, water, space, and fire. And through the practice of specific mudras, we can tap into the power of the five elements of nature. Let's understand this concept first. So, the five elements of nature are represented on the five fingers of the hand. The thumb represents fire, the index finger, air, the middle finger is space, the ring finger represents earth, and the little finger represents the water element. And there is a connection between the nerve endings on the fingers during a mudra, which increases the flow of pran in the body. Yogis, of course, knew this, and they believe that if one wants to cure any disease, they can tap into the energy of the elements and rectify the imbalance with the practice of suitable mudras. In fact, there is also research which proves the various health benefits of mudras. The links have been given below in the description box. So let's look at the different mudras which we can practice in daily life. This is the Gyan Mudra, also known as gesture of knowledge. It activates the pineal gland, relaxes the mind, and improves concentration. Of your thumb and the index finger, and while the remaining three fingers are stretched out free, and they can be slightly bent as well. And you place it on your thighs if you're sitting in Padmasana, on your knees, or if you're sitting on a chair, you can gently place it on your thighs. The benefits of Gyan Mudra: it increases concentration, memory, reduces sleep disorders, helps to reduce stress and anger, eases depression, and even headache. I have tried it personally for headache and it works. Next is Vayu Mudra, the gesture of air. It reduces any constrictions in the body due to excess air in the body. It can be performed while sitting, standing, or lying. So what you have to do is just fold the index finger. You'll be able to see the phalanx bones. Press the second bone with the tip of the thumb, and the tip of your index finger lightly touches the base of the thumb, and the remaining three fingers just stay straight. Vayu Mudra eliminates excess gas, air-related problems like gout, flatulence, constipation. It helps in diseases like arthritis, neck pain, paralysis, and cervical spondylitis. The next is the Prithvi Mudra, also known as the Earth Mudra. This amplifies the earth element of the body. So earth elements is a vital component of bones, cartilage, skin, hair, nails, muscles, internal organs, etc. So practice of Prithvi Mudra builds and invigorates these tissues and strengthens the bones. So what you have to do is sit down in any easy pose. I'm sitting in lotus pose to perform this mudra. So gently touch the tip of the ring finger and the tip of the thumb while the other three are stretched or are free. The benefits: it reduces stress, weakness, helps in weight gain, increases blood circulation, boosts self-esteem and confidence. Also, it increases determination and directs individuals towards spirituality. Now let's look at the Sun Mudra, also known as Agni. So the five-hand gesture is a powerful mudra with significant healing capacity. Practice of Surya Mudra helps to maintain the body temperature and keeps the metabolism going. But keep this in mind. Practice only in sitting position and on an empty stomach every day to reap benefits of this mudra. So what do we have to do? Fold the ring finger and touch the tip at the base of the thumb, while the tip of the thumb presses the second phalanx bone of the ring finger. This can be practiced 20 minutes every day, but avoid practicing when you have acidity or indigestion issues. Now comes the water element, the Jal Mudra. It works on the biggest element of the body, that's water, by increasing it to an optimum level. It prevents all diseases which come due to lack of water or any kind of dryness. It helps to rehydrate cells, tissues, muscles, skin, and joint cartilage. So again, sit in an easy pose or simply lie down and slightly touch the tip of the thumb with the little finger. And the rest of the fingers can be left freely without any stress. The element water is also associated with tongue and taste. So therefore, this mudra can be used to overcome disorders like loss of taste, dryness of mouth, and it also nourishes the skin, making it glow. So these mudras can be done anytime during the day, anywhere, either when you're sitting for your meditation practice or when you're just sitting watching the sunset or you're just sitting idle. Or watching TV, you can just practice these mudras and gain and reap its benefits. Only thing to keep in mind is if you are going to practice Agni or Surya Mudra, avoid it if you have acidity or indigestion problems. Integrating these ancient healing tools into your daily life will help you connect with your inner self and the universal energy.